It's your boy D Chevy Boy, and I'm back with another video. Today I wanted to go over basically these new car parts. Um, these are my gears, and I want to unbox them with you guys because I haven't really unboxed them yet. So basically, you guys can see what I got in storage. So basically, so we got the performance package sheet, and this is basically the shipping label, I guess, and stuff. This stuff came from GM. I don't know what this is, but this is signed by GM and stuff. Like legit GM signed this. Chevy Performance. You guys know what it is. Oh yeah. So you guys know it's real. Look at that. Special parts notice. Come on, guys. Oh, damn. I can't show y'all that. We go, yeah. Okay, but anyways, guys, we got basically, our fluids and stuff for the differentials, new bolts. This thing came in new little seals for me. Of course, I needed that. New bolts. I'm not sure what that is, but it's in a nice Chevy package, you guys can see. I guess it's just performance vehicle. It say something. I'm not really too sure what that say, guys, but I already know it. That. I'm liking this. All this Garbino. They come with new seals for my differential. Nice and shiny, that's ease. Oh shit. I didn't expect this box. I'm hoping I ain't pick this up. Sheesh. Okay, what we got? New seals, rings. More bolts. Okay, Chevy. How big this penny is, guys. Made in Mexico. It's crazy, right? Shout out to the essays doing the damn thing. Look at this big old gear, guys. Come on now. This thing is dusty. Look at this guy. Come on now. This thing's about to go crazy. This thing's about to go crazy. Opinion for you guys. Made in Mexico? That's crazy. Who would have known? Who would have known? Got marked and stamped. Put this back for you guys. God. I wasn't expecting that box to be that heavy, bro. I like how they boxed it all up for us. Like, they boxed it all up and nice. It's weird because that shit say it's from Mexico. And this stuff say it's from China, of course. This is a very important sticker. I don't want you guys to see this. But it says printed in the USA. So you know this shit legit. That's crazy. I don't want to. That's crazy. That's all I'm gonna say. Anyways, look how nice this is. Sorry, it's bullshit Hondas and shit, you know. People put chop the mufflers off the shit box, you know, wakes up everything. I like how they packaged this really good for us. Yeah. Chevy came in touch with this. Little did they know. It's about to turn the Camaro into a whole completely different monster gang. What is this though? Oh, okay. It's just basically telling me the differential ring. What all came in, it came with a bag, box screws, bolts, lubricant, a decal Chevy, that's what I was wanting, with the bow tie, the label, some nuts, some seals, a box decal, ring pinion, of course. It came with a lot of stuff. It came with what? It came with 13 additional things. Like, I think I paid like $600 or $700, could be $800 for this whole kit. I don't even really remember. I just, when it comes to my wifey outside, she take all my money. Yeah, man, race cars are not cheap, I'll tell you that. But we did get gears with a limited slip, of course. What I do need before I'm really ready to install this game is, before I really install these parts, gang, I need to get a suspension kit. And also, I'm thinking about just going ahead and getting me a Circle D stall converter. Cause I know just with these aggressive gears, I just know something's gonna go. I feel like what's gonna go is probably my stall converter. My transmission is, I'm not really too worried about that right now. I got a strong transmission, I can't believe this label. That's crazy. I gotta take a picture of that shit. That's crazy, gang. Come on now. But anyways, gang, back to what I was saying, I'm not too rushing this process just yet. I am getting a cam pretty soon. Let's just say that I'm getting a cam. Also, I was talking about I was getting a Jeep. I'm getting a Jeep pretty soon also. People was asking me basically that fan thing that I installed in the grill of my car and what it is. So oil cooler. It's one of these guys. The Leader Performance Cooling. Basically is this. I can't really show you guys because it's on my car at the moment. But why I didn't install this finally, it came with these like bullshit ass hoses. Like, look at this. And basically while I was running it to my car, you see how I was put, man, it was going like basically touch my headers, and let's just say it was a fire hazard. Okay, that's how we gonna put it. But but what I was waiting on was these bad boys. Look how clean these stainless steels look. Come on, guys. Stainless steel fitting. I was pissed off, so I was just throwing stuff in here that day. But look how clean these connectors, all this is. Come on, gang. Still got the gasket on that. That goes on my where my oil filter goes. Yeah, I was waiting on these bad boys right here. Man, I don't want to tell you guys too much about what's going on with my build, all this extra. But I will tell you, gang, she about to be a bad mother. No, I'm just. But I just wanted to talk to you guys just a little bit. Recently, while I haven't really been bringing these videos, hold on, give me a second, gang. Anyways, I had pulled some muscle in my left leg. Not pulled muscle, I tore some tissue in my leg. I don't even know how I did it. I guess I was working out or something. I'm not really too sure. And somehow I gotta talk to our orthopedic. They told me it was some fluid, basically, that got to my leg somehow, and it's like they gotta drain it. And it's like, so yeah, it just kind of is on it. It's iffy to like make videos, especially on the quad, man. I tried it. I'm gonna be dropping a clip. I went to go and get the mail and see if I could do it. All this, yeah. It hurts to shift, and come on now, like it's my left leg. Like it's kind of dangerous, to be honest. I'm gonna have to pull in the clutch a lot. It just wasn't safe, guys. Sorry, guys. It's cold out here in Colorado, like sheesh. But anyways, we gotta get to these videos, dropping these bangers. I just wanted to talk to you guys for a little bit, show you my 391 gears also, cause let's just say they some real aggressive gears. It's your boy D Chevy Boy, and I'm out with another one. Gang.